Open your textbook, English textbook on page number 63. Okay, students? See, life skills, second. Okay, problem solving and decision making. Laughter, the best medicine. Here are some jokes for you. You have to read and enjoy the jokes. Okay? Teacher says, Amit, your composition on my dog is exactly the same as your brother's. Did you copy it? Means your teacher asked to Amit that you wrote same essay on my dog as your brother wrote. Means you are copy the essay of your brother. Amit says, no teacher, we have same dog. See, what a comedy answer. Because we have same dog. Okay, see the next. Teacher says, which is more important for us, the sun or the moon? Amita says, the moon. Teacher asks, why? Amita says, the moon gives us light at night when we need it. But the sun gives us light in the day when we do not need it. Isn't it comedy, students? Because sun gives us light, so we feel the light at the daytime. But what Amita says, we didn't have need of light and sun gives us light. Okay, see the next. Read and draw. Here is one short poem. We have to read and draw one picture regarding that poem. Okay, over the meadow, over the meadow. Meadow means what? A small part of earth where short grass is there. Okay, over the meadow, in a snug beehive. Snug means what? Fitting comfortably. Beehive means what? Honeybees home which they made. Okay, lived a mother honeybee and her little bees 5. Birds, said the mother. We birds, said 5. So the buzzed and the hummed in the snug beehive. Buzz means the sound which created by the honeybees. Understood? In that hive means home of the honeybees, who lived honeybees and small baby honeybees. Okay, and they are making sound of birds. Okay, so here you have to draw one picture of meadow and hives of honeybees also. Understood? See the next page. Here is your favorite activity, tongue twister. You have to say these words at least 5 times. See, I will try. Okay. How many cans can a canner can if a canner can cans? Okay, like this you have to say at least 5 times and send me the audio. Okay, see next, decision making problem. First, here is one situation presented in front of you. You have to choose correct response to that situation. Okay, see, I will read the situation. It is time for you to play. Your grandmother asks you to sit with her for some time. What do? Means suppose you want to go play and your mother asks to sit with her. What is your reaction? Here are some options. Pretend you have not heard. You are behaving like that you are not listening. Okay. Say I don't have time, or your reply is like, no mom, no grandmother, I don't have time. Okay. Sit with her and talk to her for some times, or if you want, you sit here and talk for some time. Ask someone else to sit with her. Ask someone else to sit with her. Which is the correct? Respond. According to me, third one is the correct. Okay, because our grandmother feels lonely at that time. It is our duty to be with our grandparents. Okay, so third option is correct option. Okay. See, next problem. Your father takes you to a toy shop. He wants to gift you a toy. You have to decide what to buy. There are balls, dolls, teddy bears, tricycles, bats, drums, and toy robots. Suppose there are many toys in that shop and your father asks you to go and buy which things you want to buy. Here are some questions. What do you buy? Which is your favorite toy? You wrote their names like doll, tricycle, ball. Okay. What do you say to your father after buy the toy? What do you say? You have to say, thank you, Papa. Okay. What do you do with the toy as soon as you reach home? What do you do? Here write the answer. I will play with toys as soon as I reach home, and after playing I keep the toys neat at one place. Okay, understood? Students, you have to write these question answers in your notebook and send me the photocopy. Okay, thank you.